good, YouTube? It's Elite Eli, and I'm back here with another video. Today for you guys, it's the end of my 6-week wolf. I'll be getting a fresh cut tomorrow. I wolfed for 6 weeks. You know, it's finally time to cut it off. Tomorrow's a day before my birthday, so it's finally time to cut it off. So you guys always know, right before you get a fresh cut, you wanna do a washing style. You wanna wash your hair. You wanna wash your hair the night before, because your barber's clippers is gonna get messed up if you don't wash your hair. So without further ado, we unrag, show you guys how I'm looking, and get a quick washing style. Last night I did the washing style. You know, I put the durag on. I washed out my hair with cold water, and then I let it dry overnight. So I went to sleep. I let my hair dry. So now I'm gonna show you guys the results. Night before your haircut, you guys, you want to wash and style your hair. You want to let it dry, and then when your hair dries, you want to unrag and just put on light oil. You don't want to put no like pomade. You want to use a light moisturizer or oil. I'll recommend oil though. You don't want to use no pomade or nothing too greasy. That's gonna clog up the clippers.